Hi, in the previous video, we have created and customized our DR switchover plan. In this video, we are going to perform a pre-checks and then the switchover. And then we will validate that the application is running correctly after the switchover. So let's move to the OCI console. We can see here our plan. To run the pre-check in our DR plan, we can click on pre-check. We give it a name. And we run on pre-check. So you can see that the plan execution is in the queue now. It will take a couple of seconds to be in progress. So the pre-check is now in progress, as you can see. And it will take about 1 to 2 minutes to be completed. So the pre-check now is complete. It took 1 minute 42 seconds. And all these steps are succeeded as pre-check. So let's now move and execute the switchover. From the switchover plan, we click on execute, we'll give it a name, and we can rerun the pre-checks, or we can disable it as we have already run it in the steps before. So we'll give it a name and we will click on execute DR plan. So you can see here it's on the queue. We can expand all, collapse all. And once it's in progress, we can check also the logs and monitor the logs for each steps here at this level. So now the switchover started, it's in progress. The first step is still in progress, and I can see here the logs. The log will be refreshed. A quick refresher here on the execution. So the two first steps are now completed. The two VMs are now removed from the backend set configuration, and we can see that our application now is not working anymore. So we are on the steps of stopping the compute instance for the moment. So I will be back once it's more in an advanced state. A quick refresher here, as you can see, the main part of our plan is now succeed. We have updated the CNAME record here. We have the compute is already running and added, the first one is added as backend set to the load balancer. So we can consider here at this step that our application is now running after less than 25 minutes. So if I check here on the same URL, I can see that yes, the application is now completely up and it's running on Phoenix, while the DR switchover is still running. We have the second node to be added. I can check the logs here and it's still running, but we have at least one node in our backend set, and the switchover of the DB is already completed after 11 minutes. So now we can consider that the switchover is okay, and our application is now switched and running on the DR region Phoenix. I will pause the video for the moment and will be back once all the steps are done. So the overall switchover is now completed. It took 31 minutes, 33 seconds. All the steps are completed. We can see that the instances are now terminated in Ashburn and also the boot volumes. Everything is terminated in Ashburn, and now the load balancer have in Phoenix have the two VMs running in Phoenix. So that's it for this video series. I hope that you enjoyed all these videos and you have now a clear idea about full stack disaster recovery and how it works. So thank you for watching.